Good morning, one and all. It gives me great pleasure and privilege to be here on this occasion of PSK online lecture. I, Dr. Dheeraj Joval, HOD of Commerce Department, would like to welcome all my TY Become student participant for the PSK online lecture. Today, we are going to discuss about the chapter 3, scientific purchasing. Under this chapter, today we are going to deal with the one question. The question name is here, types of customer. What do you mean by the customer? We are the common people. We are living in the society. We are purchasing the product as per our requirement to satisfy needs and wants. We are called as a customer. Let us, we are going to see here, what do you mean by the customer? In a business term, there are the different types of customer of goods and services that are offered for sale by company and the manufacturer. A product manufacturer company has to determine, know or understand the type of customer, the market for the products which they intend to introduce in the market. It also enables the company to avail the right and desire the product to the customer, which increase sale and profit for the company. It's a indicate that we have to identify the likes and dislikes of the customer. We have to identify the wants and needs of the customer. As per the customer's requirement, we are going to manufacturing the right product, right price, right place, right promotion, and due to the holistic approach of the marketing nowadays for the long term relationship, we are going to maintain the customer, that is called as a CRM. These are the various terms we have seen under the customers. Now let us go for the definition. And even also I would like to give the one of the example here. We are purchasing the certain product on regular basis and certain product once in a lifetime. I would like to give the one of the example. We are purchasing milk on daily basis and we are purchasing mobile once in a time. Milk comes under the FMCG, fast moving consumable goods we are using on the daily basis. Consumption has done on the daily basis. And another is a mobile, laptop, your refrigerator, television, AC. We have a bike, car, flat. These are the consumer durable we are purchasing once in a time. Then we can say we are the customer, we are purchasing FMCG as well as the consumer durable products. Now we are going to see the definition. Customer can be defined as one who purchase goods and service for you. Then we can say if I am going to purchase mobile phone, I'm going to use for my personal use, that is called as a customer for the mobile phone. Now let us go for the our question, types of the customer. With the help of the oats id, we are going to use certain points to explain the types of the customer. Oats and ID card. With the help of the oats, we can see here, these are the alphabet we are going to see here. Oats and ID, we are going to see one by one here. Now look at the here. What is the exactly meaning for that one? Organized customer. This is called as a perfect customer, buying the product and service on the regular basis as per the requirement. Second one is aggressive customer, angry and rude behavior customer. We cannot predict the nature of this customer. By any time, the customer will be angry. The customer will behave like rudely to the sales executive person. It's a very risky and you have to take a precaution at the time of dealing with the aggressive customer. Then talkative customer, yeah, this is also one of the regular customer, but we can say the nature of this customer is a totally different. Buy regularly, more talkative and the friendly in nature. The fourth one is a seasonal customer, a not regular customer, purchasing at occasionally at the seasonally. Then we can say once in a month, twice or thrice a month, as per his wish he is going to purchase the product. The next one is a shy customer, timid and nervous customer. We can't predict such a type of the customer. They are not vocal, they are not express their what kinds of the foods they want. Therefore you want to first motivate, build confidence of that customer and deal such a type of the customer. Impulsive customer, then we can say without planning, these are the customer, any planning anything, at any time they can do the purchasing. Then discount driven customer, these are the customer, they are only waiting for this certain kind of the event discount, lower the price, some buy one get another free, then 30-40% discount. They are waiting for any special occasion, Diwali, 15th August, 26th January, what kind of the offer they are going to get the discount, that time they are going to purchase the product. The next one is the eighth one is a decisive customer, determined and strong decision customer. These are the customer, they have the fixed guidelines to purchase a product and service. They have the specific brand only, they don't want to change their opinion, they want to purchase on fixed product only. Dual mind of the customer, most of the time we have seen the Most of the people, they are not in a perfect to take a final decision at the time of the purchasing the product. They like two or three products, but actually they want to purchase only one thing, but they are not in that in position to take the final decision also. Now we are going to see one by one here. What do you mean by the organized customer? Now we are going to see here organized customer. Perfect customer, buying regularly as per the need. It is a purchasing on the regular basis. It is called as a common customer. These customer are product specific and only tend to buy items only which they are habitual or have a specific need for them. For example, we are purchasing milk on regular basis. We are going to purchase one specific company, specific brand milk on regular basis. That is in a certain quantity we are going to purchase, therefore we are called as organized customer. Under this organized customer, we can say the common people, the common customers are there. They are purchasing FMCG product as well as the consumer durable product as per their requirement. Now we are going to see the next one is here aggressive customer. At the time of the dealing with the customer, we have to take a precaution. And these are the basically angry and rude behavior customer. Now look at the year. Such a customer keep angry nature and more often rude behavior. They have mental conflict and thus pass their anger to the seller on to. They need to be cared with the tactic. We have to should be smart enough to handle such a type of the customer. Now the talkative customer, it is also regular customer, but more talkative and the friendly in nature. These are the customer more talkative and usually friendly in nature. They easy going and it's easy to handle them and on tone. They are making buying process on make easy and fruitful. Then we can see it's a common people. They are purchasing on the regular. They are more talkative. They are friendly in nature. We are dealing with such a type of customer is a no problem. Now seasonal customer, these are the not regular customer, purchase only at seasonal occasionally. Now we are going to see the fifth one, the shy customer. These are the timid and nervous customer. They are not in a position to take the decision at the time of the purchasing the product. They are also known as a timid or nervous customer who are not interested in talking and keep a silence at the time of the buying the product. They are keeping a silence. They are not so much talkative. They are not express their self to what kind of the product they want. Therefore, through their observation, through their nature, those who are the sales executive, they have to handle them carefully and convert them into the potential customer. We are going to ask the number of the questions, likes and dislikes, and we are going to suggest a certain product to such a type of the customer. Now let us go for the impulsive customer. These are the customer in a hurry. By any time, without planning, they are going to purchase the product. Then we can say these customers are difficult to convince as they want to do their business in urge. They don't have any specific item in their product list, but urge to buy what they can find and product at the point of time. Handling these customer is a challenge as they are not a particular looking for a product and want the supply to display the useful product. Then we can say these are the type of customer don't have that kind of the planning. By any time they can plan. We are difficult in position what kind of the product we are going to show them. The impulsive customer are treated according to them in a high probability and that these customer could be responsible for high percentage of selling also. Then we have to take care, we have to handle very carefully impulsive customer. Now we are going to see the discount driven customer. Now look at the year when the discount or lower the price, only with that time these are the customer are going to buy the product. Now on the occasion of the 15th August, 26th January, Ganpati, Diwali, then New Year, they are going to see the Flipkart, Amazon, the big offer, the discount. On that time, they are going to purchase the product. These customers keep expectation at the lower price with the discount. They are ready to buy if the discount is provided. Therefore, most of the time, heavy discount are given by the seller to attract such a type of the customer. Now we are going to see the decisive customer. Then we can call as a determined and strong decision making. These are more determined and strong decision making customer. They know what they need and are often experienced customer. They are specific brand customer. If the brand is not available, they don't want to go for the substitute brand. They have the focus customer having a strong decision power of buying power them. Then as per their determined and strong decision, we have to sell them whatever they want only. Now the next one, we are going to see double-minded consumer. In a little bit, we can say in a confused state of the mind, confused customer. They are not in a position to take the final decision. Now look at they are more determined and strong in decision making. They know what they need, are open, experienced customer, but at the time they are not in position to take the final decision. They like two or three product at a time, and at the last end, they do not have that kind of the focus to select anyone. Therefore we are going to help them at the time of the final selection. Even also these are the experienced customer. Now look at the here the recap of the types of customer. With the help of the oats and id, we are going to make a 9 types of the customer. The first one is a organized customer, second one is aggressive customer, third one is a talkative customer, fourth one is a seasonal customer, fifth one is a shy customer, sixth one is a impulsive customer, seventh one is a discount driven customer, eighth one is a decisive customer, and the last one is a dual mind customer. Thank you all of you for your precious listening. Thanks a lot.